the animation of Chebyshev straight line mechanism, which is to be produced by using GeoGebra software. So this is the midpoint of this coupler link, which traces straight line path and which is approximate one. Hence, this Chebyshev straight line mechanism is known as approximate straight line mechanism. So this is the kinematic diagram. A is pivoted, D is also pivoted. AB, which is input, it oscillates about pin joint A. CD, it is output link, which oscillates about pin joint D. BC is coupler link, where P is the midpoint of this BC, which traces the straight line path when AB is given oscillatory motion about A. The dimensions of the links taken in such a way that length of BC, that is coupler link, length of AB and CD, that is input link and output link, and length of fixed link, that is AD. Their dimensions have been taken in proportionate with 1:2:2.5. If I consider length of BC, that is say 3, so length of input link and output link, that is AB and CD, that is 7.5, and length of fixed link AD, that is 6. And as P is midpoint of link BC, length of BP equal to length of CP. As input link oscillates about pin joint A, so range of oscillation is considered as input for the designing the mechanism. So minimum position of link AB, that is 32 degree, and maximum position of input link AB, that is 92 degree, right? Now let's proceed with the GeoGebra software. Now mark first of all pivot A and D. Select point as a command. So coordinate for point A is 0, 0. Then mark point D with the coordinates 6, 0. So rename point B as D. Then mark input link AB. So A is marked, B is to be marked. So take command circle, and it is to be drawn with the center and radius command. So choose center A and radius 6. Now mark points of intersection of the circle with x-axis. Sorry. So input link dimension, it is 7.5. AB, that is 7.5. Then you mark intersection point of the circle and x-axis. So we are not interested in B. So deselect B. Then use slider for providing the oscillation for input link AB, right? So it is in the form of an angle, and that notation for angular position, that symbol is theta. Also you mention minimum angular position, that is 32, and 92 you just set 2 and 92. Here you are observing that slider which provides the variation in angular position of input link. Now, assign that slider to link AB. Here it is CA now. So first select C and then A, and then assign that variable theta. Okay. Now, if you vary this slider, you will observe change in position of point C. Okay. So as we are not interested in point C as well as that circle. Now you mark rename it C dash as E. So now input link AB is obtained. Now coupler link BC, use command circle with center and radius, center as B and radius 3. Then again use the same command. So it is activated with center D and radius 7.5. Okay. Now here you are observing two intersection points, right? So use intersect command of these two circles. So we are not interested in E, so deselect E as well as circle also. We are not interested in circles. Okay. Now rename F point as C. Okay. Now you join these pivot points A, B, C, D by using line segment command. Okay. Choose A, connect B. Choose point B, connect C. Choose point C, connect D. Now if you vary this slider, now you will observe variation. So variation in angle, it is minimum angle, it is 3. Just let's put. So increase that angle again. So that angle is 37. Okay. Now here you are observing. Right. Now take midpoint of BC, that is coupler link. Choose midpoint of AB using this command. So rename that point F as P. Then use trace of this point, right, and animate it. Here you will observe as input link AB takes different positions, angular positions between angle 36 to 92 degree. That point P which lies on coupler link, it traces straight line path. Right. Now you assign thickness to the links. Select and provide thickness so that it becomes link. So choose colors, style, make it thickness 13 mm, 13, and line opacity 80, as well as coupler link BC. Choose different color, say blue, and output link, choose color green. So line thickness say 13 and opacity 80. And if you again run it as animation, you will find point P traces straight line path in case of Chebyshev straight line mechanism. So thank you for viewing the video. If you like this video, you push like button as well as share and subscribe. Thank you very much.